Grafting cacti is an age-old technique used to combine two cacti into one, sort of like Frankenstein's monster, but much better looking. Welcome to Grafting 101. In this video, we are going to go over why grafting cacti is such an effective form of propagation, and show you the tools and steps you'll need to graft on your own. Let's get started. Why do people choose to graft cacti? When a plant is ailing, grafting can be used to salvage a fragment and renew the plant. Grafted cacti often grow more quickly than those grown from seeds or cuttings in soil, and grafting can also be used for aesthetic purposes, creating unique and attractive cactus arrangements with different colors, shapes, and textures. The major pieces of this process are the rootstock, scion, and vascular bundle. The rootstock is the base cactus onto which another plant, the scion, is grafted. It provides stability, nutrients, and support. The scion is the upper part of the cactus that is grafted onto the rootstock. The vascular bundle is specialized tissues responsible for transporting water, nutrients, and sugars between different parts of the cactus. While selecting your perfect scion rootstock combo, usually the bigger the rootstock the better, as it will provide more energy. We like to keep sizes of the pieces relatively similar. When pairing the two, try to cover the rootstock flesh as much as possible with the scion. Minimizing exposed flesh helps grafting success and gives the graft a cleaner look. San Pedro cacti are a great choice for grafting rootstock, but you can use others such as dragon fruit, blue candle cactus, Trichocereus sun goddess, or Trichocereus grandiflorus, to name a few. To prepare for grafting, you will need a clean, sterile working area, gloves, a sharp knife, rubber bands or grafting clips, medical bandages, grafting tape, 70% isopropyl alcohol and a clean cloth, a healthy cactus as rootstock, and a scion cactus with your desired traits. The first step is to clean your tools. Ensure your grafting knife and cutting surface are sterilized and clean with your isopropyl alcohol. Next is to cut the rootstock. Take a healthy rootstock and make a clean cut straight across the cactus. Level it to make sure that the cut is as flat as possible. You may also make angled cuts along the stem to remove areoles from the top to reduce the chance of offsets growing from them. Now, trim the scion cactus to match the angle cut from the rootstock. Align the rootstock and scion by making sure there's overlap between the vascular bundles. It's very important that there is a connection of vascular bundles so that there can be a proper transfer of nutrients between the cacti. Apply firm pressure and use your chosen method to secure the graft. Here we are using medical bandages to keep pressure on the scion and attach the ends to the rootstock spines. While still maintaining that firm pressure, we wrap grafting tape around to keep it all secure. Now place your grafted cactus in a shaded location in a place that's a bit more humid so that it does not dry out too quickly. During this time, the graft will heal and fuse to form a union. Leave it undisturbed for about 7 to 10 days, and if all goes well, you will have a successful union between the stock plant and the scion, and the flesh will have fused together. Now you can place the plant in bright light. Ideally, there should be a nice clean seal all the way around the scion to the rootstock. This is why downward pressure is important. You will have fused them together almost like a weld, the more flesh the better. A gentle tug will tell you if there has been a successful union. If the scion comes off or is rotted, you might have to start from the beginning. You'll get better at this over time and practice. And remember, a graft doesn't have to be pretty to work. During watering, it's advisable to keep the union dry until it's fully calloused over. Make sure to remove any offsets that grow to redirect the plant's energy towards the development of the scion. The scion will begin to grow at a faster rate, using its own energy plus the energy of the rootstock to either grow larger as a tip or to put out offsets. Using the top portion of a cactus as the scion is called a tip graft, but there are other methods of preparing a scion for grafting. Puck grafts are a middle cutting of a cactus, and slab grafts are a halved section of a cactus grafted onto stalk. The same process applies to these types of grafts, and you will still need to align the vascular bundles of these pieces. Grafting a cactus is a fun and rewarding process. Remember to be patient and provide the right conditions for your grafted cactus to thrive. Thanks for joining us today at San Pedro Source. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe to support more cactus content. Happy grafting!